How do you make a lava drip?
Oh, it's really easy. Let me show you. So we're going to start out with an acrylic double wall pre-drilled tumbler, which you can get everything that you see right here with us at Vinyl and Tool Supply. We're going to start off with the Two Moms Craft Shack Magic Flow Lava Drip. I'm going to go with white for this one, and you pair them with the Magic Flow Mineral Oil. You're going to need a squeeze bottle, and I prefer, instead of the syringe, to use one of our lava drip squeeze bottles. So we're going to start with the mineral oil, and we're going to go ahead and put this in our squeeze bottle. I like to fill it just as much as I know that it's going to be safe in here, and then I dump any excess back into the bottle for another use. These will generally get you anywhere from 2 to 3 cups depending on the size of that cup. And I don't know where my tip is. Can you pause that for a second? Alright, we're going to pick up, I found my top. So you want to put the little piece right here on your top so that it can get to the liquid in your squeeze bottle. And I'm going to put the top on here, and then we're just going to go ahead and insert into this pre-drilled hole our mineral oils. So what I'm doing here is, you can see it's going into the double wall area. I want to make sure I have more liquid than I do lava, because that to me gives a better look for the flow. And then if you watch any of the tutorials from the creators of this product, they're going to show you that it's very important to coat the walls of the tumbler before you start inserting any kind of lava drip. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm covering my hole, and I'm just going around with the mineral oil, creating the coating on the walls. So I've gone ahead and done that. I'm going to take my little squeeze bottle that has a bent tip syringe right at the top. It also comes with a straight tip syringe inside. And we're going to go ahead and add some lava drip. I found this easier than using the bent tip syringe, just because you can actually get more lava in one time versus having to continue to go into the lava drip and get more liquid. You want to make sure that this is on secure. Just make sure this is tight. And again, I'm just going right into this pre-drilled hole and adding my lava. You can also add glitter into these, which we're gonna do. I like adding it at the end. I think that you can do that at any point in time, but I prefer doing it at the end. And I don't like to add too much glitter because I don't want to take away from the actual lava effect. Can just continue to keep squirting. So as I said, this is a lot easier for me. I preferred this method than the syringe. And then if you get any overflow like you just saw here, you're just gonna bend it and it's all gonna settle. I'm gonna go get a paper towel and dry the top off, and then we're gonna add our glitter. So we're gonna go ahead and use our Funfetti from the Glitter Guy, and we're using a glitter poker tool from Vinyl and Tool Supply. Right here, you can get this on our website or in our store. There's 3 different versions of these poker tools. One's gonna be a flat tip, that's what I'm using today. There's also a spin and a poker. So I've gone ahead and I've stuck my funnel in here, and we're just gonna add a little bit of glitter. Make sure that you have a paper towel under your cup, because this does get a little bit messy sometimes. Or if you have the little funnels, there's different pokers and funnels available out there. So I'm just going to be shoving the glitter into the pre-drilled hole, and when I am happy with the amount of glitter, I will be plugging the hole, and we're going to give it a shake. If you want to pause it. Ahead and finished our lava drip tumbler by plugging in the bottom, and this was the result. I did leave a little air bubble at the top to give it some more flowage, but this is exactly how it turned out. If you need to make anything similar to this, or interested in any of the products that you saw in this tutorial, please leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Thanks so much. Bye.